Welcome to our channel TechTube, where we post technology related videos, and in today's technology video it's going to be about Midjourney. It's the new AI tool where you guys can generate any image you want. You just have to type in the type of image you want to generate, and the AI inside this Midjourney bot will generate it to you. It's pretty famous, so you might have heard about it. If you guys have not heard about it, then you guys can check out our video on Midjourney on our channel TechTube. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can leave the Discord server of Midjourney, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. Now the first step in order to leave the server of Midjourney is, once you open your Discord, it's going to look just like this, and you're going to see the Midjourney icon over here, as you guys can see at the side. Now there's two ways to leave the server. One is by clicking on the server, and once you're in the server hub, by clicking on it, you can see this little arrow at the top, right? You can just click on it and it'll give you this option of leave server at the end. If you just click on it, then you can just leave, alright? And if you want the other method, which is just hover your mouse on top of the, Midjourney icon, it's going to look just like this. If they haven't changed it, they update their logo from time to time, so your logo might be a bit different, alright? So just, right click your mouse and it's going to give you this option. From this option, the bottom one, leave server, you can just click on it and you will leave the server. So yeah, these are the two ways on, leaving Midjourney server. You can also rejoin in Midjourney server. I will make a video on how you guys can join Midjourney server as well. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to our channel TechTube to get informed for new Midjourney related video. So if you guys find this video helpful, like it, and I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until next time, everybody.